This is Mike. This is Jason. And this is J-Rap. And we are about to go over the Hoover Dam.
Tour bus.
Yep, these are people at the Hoover Dam. And that is it. Nighttime. You're doing great.
Doing great.
Not even there yet. $15 miles an hour.
You know, it's very possible someone else out there is going to get hurt by this, right? And it's not a choice, maybe. Let's just get out of this situation.
Oh, God. Damn it!
No, it's all right.
You want to park?
You want to park?
Which way do I go?
Keep going straight. You all right? I mean, we're.
Green for go.
No, we're good. It's all good.
We already passed it?
We're on solid ground.
We passed it?
We're good, baby.
We're good.
We've already passed it.
I ain't telling you yes or no.
We passed it.
You don't know.
God damn it, tell me we passed it or not!
That's that Lex Luthor song off of Superman, isn't it?
Like, ain't these idiots fucking built the bridge. It's covered. We passed it?
Yep.
Yep, you're done.
Passed it. That's why that woman's cleaning that glass on the left.
Huh?
Well, I don't want to film the dam because...
See that little light, that little dude right there on that yellow sign? That little... This little thing right here?
No.
We're off it.
Look, we're buying food and gifts.
We're off it.
Oh, good, Mike.
Where's the drop off?
There's no drop.
Over there?
No. You're chill.
Fuck, those things are falling over.
Well, that's that new sky bridge.
No fucking way. What kind of fucking retards are they?
Over here, right?
Fuck you!